Hello, this is Nida from Countdowners back with a new lesson. It has been told in my earlier video that at the end of an accounting period, a trial balance is prepared to which all ledger balances are entered. You know that if the trial balance shows a disagreement, then there are mistakes which we should be rectified. When does the trial balance show disagreement? Yes, if there is one-sided error, that time only trial balance shows a disagreement. So trial balance disagreement, we need to correct it. That correction process may take place in two ways: rectifying the errors before the preparation of final account and after the preparation of final account. In the first case, we are locating the errors, then correct it, and make the trial balance to agree. Then only afterwards we proceed to prepare the final account. But in the second case, the errors will not be rectified immediately. Why? Because sometimes it may so happen that locating the errors take more time and the final account preparation cannot be delayed. In such cases, trial balance is artificially made to agree by opening a temporary account called a suspense account and putting the trial balance difference or disagreement amount to that account. If the trial balance debit total is more than the credit total, the difference put along with the credit items in the suspense account and vice versa. However, such agreement of the trial balance will not be real and locate those errors later. Suspense account should be closed when errors located are rectified immediately after the preparation of final account. For closing the suspense account, the items which led to debit balance in suspense account are debited and the suspense account is credited. Similarly, the items which led to credit balance in suspense account are credited and the suspense account is debited. By doing so, the suspense account will automatically be closed after the rectification of errors. We shall now take up an example involving rectification of errors in the next accounting period by opening suspense account. The trial balance of UKL Company LLC extracted on 31st December 2019 was 394 dirhams short on the debit side. They opened a suspense account in which the difference was entered. A detailed checking of the books of accounts disclosed the following errors. So you are required to pass the necessary rectifying entries and prepare suspense account. The first error is goods worth 250 dirhams returned by Simon correctly entered in the sales account as debit side but was found it debited to Shivan's account. The correct entry would be sales account debtor to Simon's account. Instead of this, sales account and Shivan's account are debited. In this error, you can see that only one account is affected and it is one-sided error, so you have to open suspense account. You are going to pass a journal entry to correct it temporarily. The correction would be Shivan's account has to be credited to cancel the debited amount and Simon's account to be credited to add the goods returned amount and suspense account to be debited to correct the errors temporarily. The entry would be suspense account debtor to Simon's account to Shivan's account. Second error is a credit purchase of goods from Rajan for 195 dirhams has been debited to his account as 591 dirhams. Correct entry would be purchases account debtor to Rajan's account 195 dirhams. But the wrong entry was purchases account debited to 195 dirhams and Rajan's account debited to 591 dirhams. It is one-sided error, so you have to open suspense account. So the correction would be Rajan account to be credited to add the credit purchase 195 dirhams and to cancel the wrong credit 591. So the amount would be 786 dirhams. You can record the entry in the journal as a suspense account debited 786 dirhams and Rajan account credited 786 dirhams. The third error is a discount of 40 dirhams allowed to Soman was shown in the credit side of a discount account. This means that if you credited to discount account, it is treated as a discount received. So the correct entry would be discount allowed account debtor to Soman's account, but wrongly entered the entry Soman account and discount account are credited. It is one-sided error and you have to open suspense account. So the correction would be both the discount received and discount allowed account to be debited, to add the discount and to cancel the wrong credit. So the entry in the journal look like this. Discount allowed account debtor 40 dirhams, discount received account debtor 40 dirhams, to suspense account 80 dirhams. The next error is an amount of 800 dirhams paid to Hani was credited in his account. The correct entry is Hani's account to be debited 800 dirhams and a cash account to be credited 800 dirhams. But wrongly make the entry both the cash account and Hani's account are credited. It is one-sided error and you have to open suspense account. So the correction should be Hani's account to be debited to add the payment 800 dirhams and to cancel the wrong credit 800 dirhams. So the total amount debited is 1600 dirhams. So the correction entry would be Hani's account debtor to suspense account 1600 dirhams. Last error is cash received 175 dirhams on sale of an old furniture has been credited to sales account. The correct entry would be cash account debtor to furniture account 175 dirhams, but wrongly entered the entry cash account debtor to sales account. So we can see that both errors are here in furniture account and sales account. It is a two-sided error, so no need to pass or no need to open suspense account. You can simply pass the rectifying entries. So the correction would be sales account to be debited to close the wrong debit and the furniture account to be credited with the given amount. There is no suspense account in this entry. So the correction entry would be sales account debtor to furniture account 175 dirhams. Now we are going to prepare suspense account. Now look at the journal. First entry suspense account debtor to Simon account to Shivan's account. So you have to post in suspense account, Simon account and Shivan account in debit side. Second entry is suspense account to Rajan account. So in suspense account debit side you have to record Rajan account 786 dirhams. Third entry is discount allowed account debtor, discount received account debtor to suspense account. Here you can see that suspense account is credited. So in suspense account credit side you have to record discount allowed and discount received account. Fourth entry Hani's account to suspense account. So in the suspense account you have to credit Hani's account. In the fifth journal entry, sales account to furniture account, there is no suspense account, so no need to post to suspense account. After posting all the entries to suspense account, you have to balance both sides of a debit and credit. The balancing figure would be the difference in trial balance. This figure 394 is matching to the figure given in the example. If you have any doubts or suggestions about today's lesson, you can add them into the comments. So I hope this lesson has given you some confidence to prepare suspense account. If you want to keep working on to improve your accounting knowledge, I have got a couple of other lessons right here in the description box below. So make sure you hit the subscribe button just down here so that you don't miss out on any of them. Thank you so much for joining me. Have a great day.